Solving Rubik's Cubes is fun. I have I'm solving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, yeah, 7. Okay, so let's get started. I'm really good at 2x2s. Which one? I'm gonna put this away. There's more space. Oh, let me just push those cubes away. Just find my spot, then I'm good. Fast cuber. 3, 2, 1, go! I have some GAN cubes. Quite a few GAN cubes. Mirror cubes are hard to solve. Really hard to solve. I mean, it depends how hard they are. So far, it's a lot of minutes. No, it's actually just 2 minutes. This video's 2 minutes. I'm good at solving this. My high score, I have a good high score on this. I think it's like, I forget, but I have some high scores. 2 of them I don't think is that fair. The 2 that I don't think is that fair, I did solve it in that time. Just like 9 and 8 seconds when I normally solve it in like 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Yeah, okay, it'll be good. No! 1 corner. 3 minutes now. I'm on 2 minutes on my stopwatch. It says, well, it's actually 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Just my stopwatch says that. Oh no, not now these cubes. Okay, this is easy, so. Good. This isn't that fast, but it's still fine. Just like these corners, sometimes they don't listen to where I say them to go. Oh man, this is my nightmare. It's super hard. This is harder than you think. It morphs. That's the worst part. That's the part of my nightmare. This is harder than a 2x2 for me. And I solve it like a 2x2. I don't know which pieces are which. I'm just guessing pieces. I'm guessing every piece. I solve it like a 2x2. It just takes me a longer time to solve this. Okay. None of these are in the correct spot. This is not actually the knit class that I'm doing. It's actually an algorithm. I don't know what it's called. I call it algorithm 3, if I say it correctly. Ooh, 5 minutes of this video already. And 5 minutes on my thing, my stopwatch. See, 5 minutes, and, okay, sometimes I do this. Kind of helps. No. I mean, it's almost 6 minutes. Okay, so I have, where was I? Okay, yeah. 6 minutes now on the thing. And 5 minutes on my stopwatch. This is so hard to solve. How will I... Not the knit class algorithm 3. Let me just try that again, and let's see if that works. See, 1 time or 2 times. No. Let me try that again. Probably not gonna work because I only do it 1 or 2 times. Oh, okay, so it's in the right shape. Let me just do this. This is the last step, I think. It messes up sometimes. It's taking me so long instead of one of them. Making me tired. Dang, I always hate this cube. It's like a nightmare to me. But this is my nightmare. I can solve it a lot. That cube a lot slower. Like a lot. Oh, my eyes are hurting. Oh, look at you. Oh man, working the phone is hard. It hurts my eyes. Let's get back to solving it. I can't stop. I wish I could not show you, but I have to. This is all about the video to show you. Okay. Let me just turn it upside down like a 3x3 on the beginner's method, I think. I think it's called the beginner's method. The easiest method. Oh yeah. So, yep. Let me try that last step that it's on the 3x3. It's on the 3x3. I turn this bottom. Dang it. I just solved my nightmare. And then this cube. This solved my nightmare. Dang it, it morphs. See. That's the worst part, and I get the first layer when it's hard to. I kind of just guess random ways. Random ways to solve this cube. Let's kind of do. Wait. This work. Oh, that's just someone sneezing. You don't need to worry about that sneeze. I got this first part correct. I'm gonna just twist this corner real quick. Now let's just solve this side, and then this side is unsolved. Oh man, it hurts my head to look through this. It just hurts my head a lot. A lot. Oh man, my head feels so bad when I just look through this. Oh. It hurts my... Oh man. 59, 10 minutes. And not exactly 10 minutes on this. It's just so hard. So hard. I just guessed the randomest ways in the world to get this solved. It takes me so long. It takes me over 10 minutes to solve this normally. And when this goes to 10 minutes, I'll need to reset it. Just watch it. Watch it. Watch it. See, it turns off. 3, 2, 1, go! It's pretty funny that I need to reset it every 10 minutes. I need to solve this. Yes! Yes! Oh no. All the cubes I solved. A lot of cubes. So let's get back to solving it. Yes! Oh man. How do I do this? Okay, that's a lot better. Did I even mess this up? I'm not looking through this screen anymore. I'm looking at my real cube, so hopefully you can see now. Hopefully. Because I'm not going to be looking through it. What? Why? Wait, do I need to solve this? This is one of my worst nightmares. Oh, dang it. Oh no. I wonder if I can solve it. Oh, this corner. Oh, why am I looking through the screen again? Okay. So, which corner is matched? This is matched. Oh, it's matched. That might be. It might be. Oh man, why does it still hurt my head? Okay, you can still see it. Just look through the screen again. And it hurts my eyes a lot. Hopefully I can solve this. Because my brother's solving this for me. It should work. After I do this, it should. Okay, so, yay! Okay. Let me just go back to this. I know how to do this part. It's easy. My brother got it for me. I mean, I solved it. Yay! So, okay. How do I solve this? How? Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. My brother's giving me so many cubes to solve. I don't even know how to solve this cube. Okay, let's throw that away. You don't need to see that anymore. The cubes are over here. I'm smacking this cube. I'm just doing a random algorithm that I know is soon. Okay, I know this part for sure. Okay, and all these are so. Okay, which one is correct? Oh, yes. No, wait, how did I do that? It's the Nicholas. Okay, yeah. It's a little different. What do I do when I have two corners? Ow. Oh yeah. Okay, this is just trash. So let's go back to solving this. Ah, wait, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Yay. Oh yeah, the layer. Why am I looking through the screen? No. Let's hit the gas. Hit the gas. So, yay! I wonder how I solved that. This is not the 3x3. These are the cubes that are unknown. Unknown cubes. Unknown. Let's push that away. Push it away. I still have to solve this. Oh no, 5 minutes and 60 minutes on my screen. How I solve this? My head is hurting. My brain is hurting about solving this. Okay. Keep doing it wrong. It's a mystery to solve. What is that hand shadow for? I think someone's doing that. Let me just push it away. Why is this so funny? Okay, you're gonna think this video is so funny. And I on the last step. And I on the last step. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. I'm not using the 3x3 easiest method thing. I'm using my way. It has to solve, it has to solve, it has to not solve. How will I solve this? Can someone solve it for me? Can someone solve it for me? Well, okay. What is that? Is that a girl ghost? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, let's see.